I have an Ikea Galant A leg that will not stay in place when adjusting. Have attempted to turn it many times, but it won't lock in length.
Welcome. My name is would be glad to assist. Make sure nothing is on the table while performing any of these steps to ensure your safety for the A leg. You will need to remove the bottom portion of the leg. Do this by turning the leg to loosen it, and then pull it out completely from the top section. At the top of this part, you should see a white, black or gray piece of plastic, kind of looks like an upside-down funnel, around a threaded rod/screw, not sure of Ikea's names on parts. This piece is adjustable. Twist this plastic piece just enough so that, when you insert the bottom part of the leg back into the top portion, it should just fit, not too loose, not too tight. Set the leg to the height that you want the desk to be at, and then turn the leg to tighten it. This funnel-shaped piece sets the clearance between the top and bottom and eliminates any space between them to allow tightening and holding the leg at the height set. It sounds like that piece may have broken or disfigured if this just started to happen. If that piece is broken, or that does not take care of the issue, then you would have to contact Ikea for any replacement parts. A complete leg is sold. If yours is damaged and the above adjustment does not cure the issue, click here for the silver or click here for the chrome. Let me know how it goes.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert, now visit JustAnswer.com/YTHI.